What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Celebrity Overdose. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp got married in 2015, and just a year later, the couple officially called it quits. In 2016, Amber sought help from the Los Angeles court for getting a restraining order against the actor Johnny Depp. But why did Amber Heard's lawyer expose her in Johnny Depp's court case? Let's find out right now. But before we do that, do be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of our next videos when they go up. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Things went wrong between Johnny and Amber. The paparazzi and media journalists have been on top of any news and updates regarding the couple. When Heard was leaving the court building, they captured a picture of her bruised cheek, which was later shown to the court as proof of being mistreated by her husband. She claimed that Depp threw his phone at her with force in a fit of rage that gave her this bruise. She also said that Depp has been extremely hostile towards her and has been sharing her training aggressions. He's been verbally, physically, and emotionally disrespectful in this relationship, and that's why she sought a restraining order.
It has been incredibly painful to relive the breakup of my relationship.
Number 4. Couple back in court. Fans thought that things finally ended between the two, and Amber was the victim in this entire scenario. However, the case was somehow brought back to court after 4 years. This time, it was Johnny Depp who filed a lawsuit against the British newspaper The Sun. Depp hired one of the best barristers in London. The accusation was regarding an elaborate hoax in the matter of physical assault as claimed by his former wife. He tried his best to make sure that the efforts to prove him innocent were fruitful. A Virginia judge dismisses Amber Heard's big counterclaim out of court, while Depp waits for an announcement as to whether a bid for a new defamation trial in the United Kingdom will be upheld. Depp has decided to make sure to take advantage of the state's new anti-SLAPP law. It'll be to defuse the claim of hoax of hard years of abuse claims during the short term of marriage. Attempt to see a series of statements living marriages have been removed from the case. Number 3. Amber, the real culprit? It turned out that the truth was something else. Amber was portraying something that wasn't even true. Daily Mail received an audio recording in which Amber was seen confessing about hitting Johnny Depp with kitchen utensils. The audio recording took the entire internet by storm. The actress, now 35, was seen talking to her estranged husband back in 2015 about her violent behaviors. The recording was of the time when they were both trying to solve their marriage issues. She also repeatedly and frequently threw heavy bottles, soda cans, lit candles, TV remote controls, thinner cans, etc. into my body and head, causing serious injuries, Depp said in 2019. In October 2020, the judge ruled that allegations against Depp are substantially true. However, the Pirates of the Caribbean star maintained his innocence and filed multiple appeals against the decision. She was seen confessing that "I'm sorry, I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you, it wasn't punching you. Babe, you're not punched." The audio further revealed that she indeed hit the actor and was trying to assure him about not punching him. She said, "I don't know what the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I didn't hurt you, I didn't punch you, I was hitting you." It was a shocker for everyone, as Heard was a vocal advocate for women's rights and domestic violence. She also verbally abused her husband in the audio by asking him to grow up and stop fleeing late at night. She justified her behavior by claiming that if he provoked her, she would give him a reaction. She was seen warning him by saying that "you poked an animal enough, it is eventually. It doesn't matter how friendly it is, it's not cool."
He was about to push my sister down the stairs. She was attempting to break us up. I am protective over my baby sister.
Number 2. Things going south. As per sources, the series of conversations was when both Amber and Depp had an informal therapy session on the phone call. Eventually, all of it was delivered to Daily Mail by an anonymous source. There are several other tapes out there that were shocking episodes in the series of fights between the couple. Each audio gave a different insight to the domestic violence case and was turning in favor of Depp. In the confession, Depp was seen answering an accusation of running away. "I left last night. Honestly, I swear to you, because I just couldn't take the idea of more physicality, more physical abuse on each other." He tried explaining to her that continuing the relationship would only worsen the situation between them. He termed them as a crime scene, and he was afraid of death because of all the fiasco and her violent behavior. It was surprising to hear the statement, "I can't promise you I won't get physical again. God, I sometimes get so mad I lose it," as she was the one who termed her wedding as toxic. It was clear that it was Amber who was physically abusive in the relationship. Depp's lawyer talked about this incident being highlighted due to the hashtag #MeToo movement and today's social climate falsely claiming what abuse actually is. He said, "Therefore, the court finds that the testimony contains the puncture wound necessary for a defamation proceeding. Nevertheless, these statements mean that Mr. Depp did not abuse Amber," the judge added. Whether Mr. Depp abused Amber is a fact that may prove true or false, so these statements must be refuted. Number 1. Amber deserves jail. Amber filed an op-ed in Washington claiming herself to be the victim of domestic violence. Following this, Depp filed a $50 million defamation suit against her in Virginia. In 2018, Amber gave an interview to a newspaper where she talked about herself as a representative of domestic mistreatment. However, Depp said that he is not at all right with the allegation as it tarnishes his image, and eventually he lost the role of Captain Jack Sparrow. The suit filed against her would help him clean his image so that he could progress in his career, which was brought down by Heard. Depp's lawyer claimed that she was just a perpetrator. The actor claimed, "She hit, punched, and kicked me. She also repeatedly and frequently threw objects into my body and head, including heavy bottles, soda cans, burning candles, television remote controls, and paint thinner cans, which severely injured me." Following this, Heard filed a lurid case where she explained how she's the one who faced domestic abuse. She even included pictures of her scars and bruises, one of those scars which resulted from her head being smashed on a piece of furniture. After a number of delays, some related to the COVID-19 pandemic, this first case is currently due to be tried on May 3rd. Heard couldn't dismiss Depp's proceedings, so she doubled last summer and filed a $100 million counterclaim. The proceedings will also be brought to court later this year, but this week wasn't all green lights and parking lots for the Aquaman star. Like Depp, Amber was unable to protect her statement by Anti-SLAPP Virginia that was issued in February 2020. Correspondingly, Heard lost her bid under the Virginia Computer Crimes Act to claim that her ex-husband tried to taint her name. The pleading fails to demonstrate that the social media accounts communicated obscene language, suggested obscene acts, or threatened with illegal action. This brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and do remember to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you enjoyed the content, then go ahead and leave a like, and if you want more, then you can click on any one of the 2 videos on your screen. So until next time, take care and goodbye.